Hello and good morning, my dear little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Children, now tell me, what did we learn in our previous session? We learned a new pattern, wavy line, and we also revised letters W and X with jollyphonic songs and some pictures. Today we will sing jollyphonic songs again and also revise wavy line pattern. So children, ready? Letter W. Sound of letter W is W. Capital W, small w. Mama W, baby W. W for watch. W for window. W for wool. W for walnut. W for wall. W for wood. W for water. Let's sing jollyphonic song. I see the clouds moving. Wow, wow, wow. I see the kites flying. Wow, wow, wow. I see the trees bending. Wow, wow, wow. The wind is blowing strong. I see the clouds moving. Wow, wow, wow. I see the kites flying. Wow, wow, wow. I see the trees bending. Wow, wow, wow. The wind is blowing strong. Letter X. Sound of letter X is X. Capital X, small x. Mama X, baby X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. Let's sing jollyphonic song. X, X. Take an X-ray. X, X. Take an X-ray. X, X. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. X, X, X. Take an X-ray. X, X. Take an X-ray. X, X. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. X. Let's do an activity. Look, children. What is this in my hand? Yes, honeybee. So, honeybee lives in a beehive. मगर आज ये हनीबी अपने बीहाइव तक जाने का रास्ता भूल गई है, तो आज हम उसको अपने बीहाइव तक ले जाएंगे, है ना? Start from the down. Slowly go up by making slanting line. Make a curve. Again go down by doing slanting line. Make a curve. Slowly go up. Again make a curve. धीरे धीरे ऐसे नीचे आना है स्लैंटिंग लाइन में, फिर से कर्व बनाना है और धीरे धीरे ऊपर जाना है, फिर से कर्व बनाना है और धीरे धीरे स्लैंटिंग लाइन में नीचे आना है और फिर से कर्व बना के धीरे धीरे स्लैंटिंग लाइन में ऊपर जाना है। हुर्रे! हनी बी अपने बीहाइव तक पहुंच गई। बच्चों, आपने देखा हनी बी कैसे फ्लाई करती थी? वेवी लाइन के जैसे, ऊपर नीचे, ऊपर नीचे। Now let's see the solution of the worksheet. Let's see the worksheet. See children, I have completed my worksheet by tracing all the wavy lines. I hope you all must have done the same. Bye-bye children. Have a nice day. See you soon. Thank you.